Greeting of the day everyone, I am Joshua, I am the third year student of IHM Goa. Today I have with me the second year team from IHM Goa who presented us for SaaS on 5.2. So what I'll start by asking you is, what was the inspiration? I heard your pitch very carefully, it was a very interesting presentation first of all, congrats for that.
Thank you, sir.
What was your inspiration for this business idea?
So the inspiration behind our business idea was not only because it was SaaS on, I would say. It was also that the difficulties that we faced, and then we also looked at some market insights, the gaps that market is having right now. And also this inspiration that we had was also looking at the analytics, as I told you. And then when we applied the business idea on our daily lifestyle, it did work on us and it did fill a lot of gaps. So I feel that's how this idea came up, and we sat together and we went on.
So that's nice to hear. Now, what I would like to know is, every business idea needs a back support. What was that back support for you? Guided you? Who supported you through this journey of making this business plan from ideation to presentation?
Would you like to know this? Making a business plan is easy, but to execute it is a big thing. So we had our mentors, basically, director ma'am, Lieutenant sir, Pranagi, and who helped us to execute the business plan. I would like to add upon, there was a lot of brainstorming and till the last moment. There were a lot of changes in the PPTs, there were last minute calls, there were last minute changes in the finances, their marketing strategies. I would really like to thank all of them that we named right now. Thank you all of you for giving us the support that we all needed to be here.
So, what I would like to know is, how was your experience working together as a team? Because I've never seen you all because first time when you are second year entering a competition like this, how was the experience you got?
So it was a great experience. We had always worked in college assignments, but it was never at this competition level. It is there was a good adrenaline rush that we all had. We all had these tensions, and then these all. Would you like to add upon something, guys? Right?
It was very good to be working with Rishabh and Vijesh because they are both very good in speaking. And as myself, I'm not that very confident, but they made me so much confident that I could do the